My 5 powerful tips for personal growth and happiness. Transform your life today. Welcome to my channel 5 Tips for Success. Today, we're going to discuss 5 powerful tips to change your life for personal growth. These tips are all about shifting your mindset and taking practical steps toward personal growth and happiness. My 5 tips are 1. Don't rely on others' opinions. 2. Focus on learning for personal growth. 3. Learn digital skills. 4. Prioritize your own happiness and mental peace. 5. Distance yourself from negative influences. Remember, changing your life takes time and effort, but by implementing these 5 tips, you can start making positive changes today. So go out there and take charge of your own life, trust your instincts, prioritize your happiness, learn new skills, and surround yourself with positive influences. You have the power to transform your life and create the future you desire. So let's dive right in. Tips number 1. Don't rely on others' opinions. It's important to make decisions based on your own values, desires, and aspirations rather than seeking validation or approval from others. Trust your instincts and take practical steps towards your goals, even if they may be unconventional or met with skepticism. Remember that you are the author of your own life story. Tips number 2. Focus on learning for personal growth. Education and continuous learning are key to personal growth and transformation. Identify the subjects, skills, or areas of interest that resonate with you and take the initiative to acquire knowledge in those areas. Read books, attend workshops or courses, listen to podcasts, and engage with communities or mentors who can expand your understanding and expertise. Tips number 3. Learn digital skills. In today's digital age, having a basic understanding of technology and digital skills can significantly enhance your personal and professional life. Invest time in learning digital literacy, such as navigating online platforms, using productivity tools, and developing basic coding or design skills. These skills can open up new opportunities, improve your efficiency, and empower you in various aspects of life. Tips number 4. Prioritize your own happiness and mental peace. Your well-being should be a top priority. Take care of your physical health by maintaining a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and getting enough rest. Cultivate practices that promote mental peace, such as meditation, journaling, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Set boundaries and learn to say no to activities or relationships that drain your energy or hinder your happiness. Tips number 5. Distance yourself from negative influences. Surround yourself with people who support and uplift you. Seek out positive, like-minded individuals who share similar goals and values. Engage in activities or join communities where you can meet new people and forge meaningful connections. At the same time, evaluate your existing relationships and distance yourself from individuals who have a negative impact on your mental health or hinder your personal growth. And there you have it, 5 powerful tips to transform your life for personal growth and happiness. Remember, changing your life takes time and effort, but by implementing these tips, you can start making positive changes today. Thank you all for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content on personal growth and self-improvement.